We have some news right now. A Christmas Eve jazz concert that has been occurring for 20 years has been canceled at the Kennedy Center. Why? Because Donald Trump added his name to the side of the building. According to Politico, a planned Christmas Eve concert, which occurs every year for 20 years at the Kennedy Center, hosted by musician Chuck Red, well, it's been canceled after the name of the Kennedy Center has been changed to the Trump Kennedy Center, according to the president. He told the Associated Press in an email, quote, "When I saw the name change on the Kennedy Center website and then hours later on the building, I chose to cancel our concert." More and more artists are expected to do the same. They're going to cancel their performances from the Kennedy Center. They're not. They're not going to perform because Donald Trump decided to slap his name on the side of the building. Remember, in violation of federal law, because you can't just do that. Congress made the Kennedy Center, not Donald Trump, not the executive. So spread the word, follow along for all the news you need to know about.